y'all, today I am going to be using this bite size eyeshadow palette, and it is in the style Berry Bag, and these are the colors right here. I just feel like these are some really good colors for fall. And I'm also going to be using this concealer and contour palette. And I'm going to be using this highlight palette. It's a highlight and blush palette, and it is in the, let me see, it doesn't say the color. Oh, it's in the color Lychee. And I'm going to be using this Eyebrow Kit. And I'm going to be using this lip lacquer, and it is in the color Moody. And now I'm going to be using this lip palette. I don't know what color I'm going to go for yet, but I really want to try out this dark shade right here. You know, give like a vampy lip look, if y'all know what I'm talking about. Like, go for like a darker lip color. You know, I want to see how it looks on me. And I'm also going to be using this soothing face primer and this makeup setting spray. And I'm also going to be using this Flawless Finish foundation. It is in the shade Suede, and it's oil free, and it is a satin smooth finish. And I hope this really works for me, y'all, because I have oily skin, and this is oil free, so we're gonna see what it does. Okay, y'all, when I was applying this foundation, I realized it was way too light for me and it did not match my skin tone. So I know next time I am going to shade up. But other than that, it did blend well. It just was too light for my skin, but I tried to make it work, y'all. Yeah, I was even struggling with this concealer, y'all. I think the shade is okay. It's just that I was having a hard time blending it in. But I know this is the older concealer that they have had for a while. I never tried the camo concealer before, but I heard that was really good. So maybe next time I will try out that concealer. But I really got this one because you can conceal and contour with this palette, so I just thought it would be more convenient for me. this is the finished look right here. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comment section below. Y'all, I even threw on a scarf and some earrings, and I really like the color of this hair too. I just think that it speaks fall. And if y'all want to know more information about this hair, I will link the information in the description box below. But you know, Amazon, they reached out to me and they asked if I wanted to review another wig for them. And y'all already know how those hair companies be from Amazon. I done previous videos of those before. I will also link that in the description box too.